Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to download Wechat in your device. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Wechat is instant messaging, social media and mobile payment app. Now let's get straight into the process. You can use your App Store or Playstore to download this app in your device. Here I'm opening my App Store. Now at the top you can see that search bar, type there Wechat, tap on search. Now here you can see that app has appeared. Now at the right corner you can see that arrow showing downwards, tap on that. Now it is in the process to be downloaded to your device. After it is downloaded in your device, you can easily open and use this app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.